Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Instagram swipe up link without 10k followers. So as you can see here, if I go on my Instagram account, you can see that I have only 6 followers. So my method will not be convenient as a usual swipe up link, but if you want to desperately share your link on Instagram, I will show you the way how you can go around it, right? So first, of course, what you need to do here is you need to grab a link that you want to share on Instagram. So quickly I will go on my YouTube channel and I will copy the first video, right? And the second step, what you need to do here, you need to go back on Instagram and record a longer than 1 minute video, and that's why if you're wondering why you need to longer than 1 minute video, is that why basically that video will be uploaded to IGTV. And of course you can just record 5 seconds and then leave a blank window or something like that, and it's really easy to do it, right? So once you have the video, then press plus on your story and then just go on post and then look for the video. So I will look for the video, so this is the one, and then you can do this. It really doesn't matter, it's just an example, and then press next, and then press, as you can see here, select long video here, and this video will be uploaded to IGTV, and here we can select the thumbnail, but for this example it really doesn't matter, and then press next, and then on the title basically click the link below or whatever you want, and on description just copy your link and then post on IGTV. Alright, and then we need to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see here, this keyboard do not turn off. So I will restart Instagram right here, and probably the video will be uploaded. So as you can see here, preparing, sending, it will be quick, probably it will take a few more seconds, right? And then I will show you next what you need to do. So as you can see here, it's sending, and let's see, maybe it's uploaded. As you can see here, we need to have a few more seconds. It's posting, and as you can see here, it's posted. So what you need to do here is to find the video and go on your profile, then press on this icon, and here you will find the video. And as you can see here, there's the video, and if we click the link below words, you can see there is the link and it redirects us to my YouTube video. So the next step, what you need to do here, you need to press on this little arrow and then press add to your story and do whatever you want. It customizes whatever you want. Also you can put the little arrows or something like that. Press send to, press share to your story, press done. And if I go back on my story, as you can see here, and if I now I can watch to IGTV, then redirects to this video, and as you can see here, the first words there is click the link below, and if I click on the link, as you can see here, it redirects us to my YouTube video. So that's the way how you can basically get swipe up link without 10k followers on Instagram. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.